Hey everyone, Alex Brunner with Tucker USA and RHG Products here with another quick video. We want to discuss today our DI only water fed pole kit. This is a popular item on our website. Those who are first looking to get into water fed see this as a great option for economic reasons. You can certainly get into this water fed pole kit under $900. So what does it come with? Obviously comes with our single stage DI, 30-inch DI system here. And our Tucker hose reel. This is our robust and sturdy Tucker hose reel that has 150 feet of 3/8 hose line on there. You get the 100 feet of pole tubing. And in that base package, you do get a free hybrid pole, our Tucker Bravo. The one I have here is actually an upgraded option, our Tucker Mini, very popular pole. I also have an upgrade bush option on attached to this. This is our Alpha Hybrid with Ritz bar and the swivel gooseneck. So who is this kit good for? Obviously, if you're looking at a low entry cost into water fed, this is one to consider. Additionally, if you live in a low TDS area, this is definitely another option for you. Here in the state of Colorado, we mostly have around 200 to 300 parts per million TDS, so that's not great for it, but back at my house, I have 23 parts per million at the tap, so that is perfect for a DI only system. You can get many cleanings out of a tap TDS at that level. Who might it not be good for? It's something to consider when you're going into it. Obviously, you have that great low entry cost, but if you live in an area that you see above 100, especially if you're in some of the states that have 2, 3, 4, in excess of 500 parts per million, this system would not be ideal for you because, simply put, you're just going to exhaust your resin quite quickly, and the cost savings initially that you have up front, you're going to be spending a lot of money in resin replacement. In that situation, then I would offer you up our other options, such as our Rival, our S4 cart, or our 4060 cart, based on your needs. If you have any questions regarding if this DI only kit is right for you, you can certainly hit me up. Give us a call here at 303-663-1779 or message us on our website, www.tuckerusa.com.